Question 11. So we're looking at Michael who travelled from Manchester and Moscow, and he left home at 8:20, and then he arrived at 9:15. How long did his journey take? So what we've got is 08:20, and then we've got somewhere over here 09:15. So my advice is always make it up to the nearest hour first. So that's going to be 40 minutes we've got there, and then we've got another 15 minutes on top. Add them two together. 55 minutes, done. Mikhail's flight left at 13:05. How long did Mikhail have to wait at the airport? So he arrived at 9:15, and he then left at 13:05. So let's get to 10 o'clock. That's going to be 45 minutes. Then we've got till 3 o'clock. That's 3 hours. And then we've got 5 minutes on top again, haven't we? So we've got these things. So we've got 3 hours and then 50 minutes, and we're done. When Mikhail left Manchester, the temperature was 6 degrees. He arrived in Moscow and it was 8 degrees colder. So we're doing 6 take away 8, which will give us a -2. And then finally at the bottom, Katie travelled from Manchester to the USA. There were this many passengers on the plane, and each passenger paid roughly this. Estimate, see it's in bold, so you're not working this out, how much they paid in total. So let's make the passengers, it's going to be roughly equal to 600 passengers we'll go for, and they each paid roughly £800. 6 times 8 is 48, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros there, and that's our job done. Question 12. Use this formula to work out how many burgers to buy. Multiply the number of people by 2 and add 15. And we've got 30 people. So it's 30 times by 2 and add 15 to that. 30 times by 2, 60. Add 15, 75. We've got a formula here. So the formula we're told there, we're also told the weight. So if we've got the formula 40W, it means 40 times by whatever that W is. And W is 6. And then we're adding on 25. 40 times by 6 is 240. And add the 25, then gives us 265. Our bottom part then says use a formula for the perimeter P of the grill. So it's P equals, if it's a formula, so what is the perimeter? Well, we've got 2R there, we've got 2R on the bottom, haven't we? We've got H there and H there. So now if we add our 2R's together, 2R plus 2R is 4R. And then if we add our H's together, we've then got H plus H is 2H, and then we're going to add them two together, and that's the formula there for that question. On to question 13. Right, we've now got a box here, and we're asked to draw the net of the box. So just to give you an idea on this one, we'll go into it in quite a lot of detail, I think, because it's quite a tough one to visualise. So in effect, we've got a piece on the bottom here, and that's, if we want to call our green piece. So we've got our green part, which is the base, and then on the sides we've got a side here and side there. They're both 60 by 40, so you would draw a line up here, use a ruler, not like I'm doing, and then also the same thing down at the bottom. We've then also got our green top, same size as what the green one was originally. That can stick on either side, but it's a 3 by 6. And then we've also then got our front ends, put these in red, there, and they're 30 by 40s. So we're just going to stick them anywhere we like, as long as we extend it up to 40. So I'm sketching it out, but I expect you to use a ruler, and there, that's done. On to the next part, it says we've got here a volume of this size. Does our old 30 by 60 by 40 fit in that? So 30 by 40 by 60. Times them together. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 zeros. And then 60. So 12 times 6 is going to be 72. 3 zeros on the end. And is it big enough? Yes, it is.